Hello and welcome to Full of Food. These mashed potatoes are extra tasty because of a little secret in their cooking. Instead of cooking the potatoes in a hob and salted water, we've used the Ninja 15-in-1 to gently steam cook them in a lovely buttery stock, which is then used to make the mash extra creamy at the end of cooking. They're so tasty you'll think you're in a restaurant. So I've got some potatoes here, about 750 grams. I've got some stock, I've got some chicken stock, it could be any type of stock, some milk and some butter, and then some pepper and salt there, and I've got some fresh thyme. So on to the method. So you want to grab your potatoes and peel them up. These are actually just baking potatoes. You can use whichever potato you prefer for your mash. So just going to peel them up. And then what we want to do is we want to chop them up into sort of roughly the same size chunk. So about 1.5–2 centimetres chunks. There we go. And then what we want to do is grab your stock pot and make your stock up. Like I said, you can use any stock here. You could use vegetable, even beef. This is just a chicken stock. And then this is so simple. Grab your potatoes, put them into the pot of your Ninja 15-in-1. And add your milk, and then add some butter. I've got about 50 grams there, and that warm stock. And this is how we're going to cook our potatoes. This is why this mash is so special, because we cook it in this beautiful stock with all that butter and milk in, and then that stock makes a liquor that we use to make the mashed potatoes. So a little bit of salt and pepper went in there as well. Quick stir around. Combi steam on steam meals at 160 or 330 for 14 minutes. So once that's done, we're just going to check our potatoes are cooked. Oh, look, you can see all the butter on top, perfectly cooked. This doesn't fail. Every time they come out brilliant. So just take those potatoes into a bowl and drain off your lovely cooking liquor into a jug. Like I said, we're going to use that to make our mash. So start by mashing your potatoes, and then what you want to do is just add a little bit of that buttery liquor. You'll see the butter's on the top as well, so that's the good bit that goes into the mash, makes it all creamy and buttery. So keep adding until you get to the desired consistency. I like my mash quite sort of creamy, and then just going to serve. So grab that mash, put it into your serving bowl, make sure it looks nice and attractive. Little bit of black pepper there, and then I like to garnish mine with some fresh thyme and some lovely chunks of butter. And there we have it, a beautifully tasty buttery mash that is so easy to make, it's ridiculous.